Hi everybody, this is Jason McConnell, and in this video we're going to cover how to get this thick outline effect on your sketches. And you might do this effect if you want more of a stylized, edgy, fun look to your sketches. I see this done a lot for children's wear to make it look a little bit more juvenile. You can also use it to make your sketches pop off the page a little bit. And you'll notice that the thick outline is only around the outside of your sketch. It leaves the nice thin details inside of your sketch the way they are. So we have this sketch on the left. If we were to take, this is a group, so I'll take the group selection tool. If we were to take all the pieces that make up the bulk of this shirt and then up the stroke weight, we lose the details along the sleeve, along the collars. So it's definitely not the look we're going for. So one way to get this technique is to copy all the main objects that make up your sketch, combine them into one shape, and then put that shape behind your sketch. Right now I have all the main pieces selected of the sketch. I'll just go to Edit, Copy, and then Edit, Paste, and Back. Now that I have a copy of these pieces in the back, I'll go to Window, Pathfinder, and we'll choose this first option, Unite, to combine all those pieces into one outside shape. And you'll see if I just nudge it around that we have one solid shape around the outside now. Now that we have that, we can adjust the stroke weight, and we have our effect. And this works fine, but the problem with this is that if we try to adjust the sketch, that thick outline doesn't go around the sketch when we make our changes. The other way to get this effect that I like a little bit better, because it gives you a little more flexibility to change your sketch later on, is you just select your sketch, make sure it's a group. Up here it says group. And then in your Appearance panel, which is under Window Appearance, choose Add New Stroke. From there, we'll add a stroke weight. And that's definitely not what we want. We have all the strokes going around every object in the group. But all we have to do is, in the Appearance panel, move that stroke layer down below the content layer. Now that thick outline is just around the outside of the sketch. If you try to adjust the sketch, the outline moves with it. Let's say that I wanted to add a pocket or epaulets to the sketch. All you have to do is double click on your group, and that'll take you into isolation mode. And I'll use the pen tool, and I'll just hit D to get to the white fill 1-point black stroke without any appearance, just so I'm not putting the double appearance on here. And if I draw a pocket, you'll see that I have the 1-point stroke weight around the pocket, but that thick outline goes up and around that pocket. If I put an epaulet over here, same thing. That outside outline will adjust accordingly depending on how you change your sketch. I'll put one over here too. And when you're done, just double click out of here or hit escape. So this other way to do it with the Appearance panel gives you a little bit more flexibility to go back in later and adjust your sketch without having to go and combine all your pieces later and put that shape in the back. Okay, that's it for this video. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.